Water is the most essential element in a car wash. You can have equipment, soap, and everything else you need, but if you don't have good water, and the right water, cars don't get washed. We like to say every good car wash starts with good water. Because it's so important, water can be one of the most expensive line items for operators. That's where we come in. Our treatment and solutions make sure washes get the most bang for their buck, and we even help them reuse, or as we say, reclaim their water to seriously help their wallet. Here at Sonny's Car Wash Water by Velocity, we live to optimize every drop.
Hi, I'm Paul Kelscher, General Manager of Sonny's Car Wash Water and founder of Velocity Waterworks. Welcome to our facility in Kaukauna, Wisconsin, just south of Green Bay, where we develop, manufacture, and ship the best water treatment solutions in the car wash industry. I'm so proud of our team here. We have unmatched expertise, and we provide solutions in all aspects of water treatment, from the first drop of water that enters the wash to the very end of the tunnel. Back in 2016, we founded Velocity with a commitment to elevate the standard of car wash water treatment. We set out to be the water treatment expert of every single drop of water in our customers' wash. Our approach is working. We started in a 2,500 square foot facility in 2016 and had to move up to a 7,000 square foot facility just 1 year later. In March of 2021, we joined the Sonnys family, and just last month we had to double our footprint yet again. We now have just under 50,000 square feet, all dedicated delivering for our customers. We're truly a one-stop shop for car wash water. We do everything from water softeners to RO systems to reclaim systems and everything in between. Our products soften, they purify, they pressurize. We partner with our customers to ensure their water treatment solutions map their exact needs. We start by testing a car wash's water supply so we know exactly what contaminants are in the water. Then we help select the type of water used for each application and the correct, properly sized equipment specific to their car wash operations. So why would a car wash need soft, purified, or pressurized water? It's just like your shower at home. Soft water helps soap lather up and effectively clean, and it's better for equipment operation and life. Pair that with a consistent, pressurized water supply, and it'll optimize equipment performance. Properly treating our customers' water issues can also save an owner a lot of money. In fact, our reclaim systems can pay for themselves in as little as 1 year. Water is truly the most essential and substantial element in a car wash. That's why it's our mission to optimize every drop. Now that you know who we are and what we do, let's show you how we do it. Welcome over to our testing and quality control area. The first thing I'd like to do is introduce you to Mike Heiting, our Director of Technical Services, who also gets over on our heavily involved in our engineering side as well. Mike was with Velocity from the very beginning. He was instrumental in the development of the RO system and a lot of the other products that got us going and allowed Velocity to get into the market and move extremely fast. This is a critical part for us. Like we talked about before, we've doubled our manufacturing size. We've tripled our storage space size, but we did not want to have a bottleneck on our quality control and testing area, because everything that we manufacture here in-house, we test to make sure it hits our performance specs before we ship it out. So Mike, take it away. Explain a little bit what we're doing back in this area.
So back in our testing area, we are taking all of our products after they get done with the manufacturing process. They all come back here and get tested for performance, for leaks, for quality, and we can find a lot of little issues that may be happening here so that everything is going out perfect when it goes out into the field. We have performance data sheets that our QR people are filling out, and those also go with the system, so all of our customers know, this is how it was running in the shop when we tested it.
The key thing that we're emphasizing here is every system that we produce is tested before it ships out. It hits our performance specifications or it does not ship out. So we're very proud of that fact, and we've continued to do that. And while we invested in the new facility, we definitely invested in doubling the testing area as well to make sure that everything performs like it should when it gets out into the field. So now we're in our manufacturing facility, and I'd like to introduce you to Clint Griesbach, our Director of Operations. Clint and I have known each other for probably, or worked together for about the last 20 years. He may think it's longer, more like 40 years, but it's actually 20 years, so just so everybody understands that. We have a lot of great things going on in the manufacturing facility right now. It's interesting. We so quickly ran out of space at our 24,000 square foot facility. Since we moved into our 48,000 square foot facility, we have a lot more opportunities. But I want Clint to take you through a little bit of what we used to experience on the manufacturing side and give you an overview of what we actually do here. So,
sure.
Clint?
Yep. So welcome to our manufacturing facility. This is our production area. Here's where we build our VFD booster systems, our reverse osmosis systems, and our water softeners and the reject systems.
It's interesting, and I should add this. Clint was with us from the very, very beginning of Velocity, and he is actually one of the two people that were responsible for designing the RO system that really gave us a head start and really got this organization moving and growing. So he's been from the beginning. He is one of the main people within the organization. So what's taken place since we've expanded, we've always focused on the efficiencies in the manufacturing. Take us through some of the things that we're doing on the manufacturing side to become more efficient, to get products out the door faster and higher quality as we all continue to focus on quality.
Sure. So we do have two shifts. We have a first shift and a second shift. Our first shift focuses on building the equipment up and testing and shipping it. Second shift focuses on being support for the first shift. On the reclaim side, we went from all thread pipe to stainless steel welded manifolds, which just it takes hours off the build process.
We just continuously striving for more ways to become more and more efficient and also focus on quality. You know, it was interesting when we expanded this facility from 24,000 up to 48,000 square feet. We had to do a lot of reshuffling on the manufacturing side. So what we've done is we've actually doubled our production capacity. We've doubled the amount of workstations that we have available, but we also tripled the space that we have for storage. And Clinton, you can explain to us how we did that. And
our racking used to go north-south, so we were really handcuffed with the poles, the supports for the building. We had everything changed east-west, where we can narrow up our aisles, put an extra 3 full racks in, which really gave us a lot more space to inventory a lot more product.
Just based upon our calculations, we were able to triple our storage capacity compared to continuing to have the pallet racking go north-south, just because we could narrow up the aisles with the new forklifts that we have coming in. So we've tripled our storage capacity, doubled our manufacturing. So here we are in another area of our manufacturing facility, and what we want to emphasize is just, again, the importance on the manufacturing and the efficiencies of what we're doing in here. What used to take 6 hours to do a pre-plumb copper manifold now takes us at most 2 hours. We've dramatically cut down the time and improved the quality. So Clint, take us away and kind of explain what we're doing here on the pre-plumb manifolds for our water softeners now.
Now we went to a Pro Press, which, like Paul said, does cut down about 4 hours off every build, which really expedites the build process.
Absolutely. So it's been a huge benefit, not only just on the amount of time on the production side, but also the quality. You know, especially with these systems these manifolds being shipped in bounds. The key thing about the manifolds is that when you're getting into a new build, having the manifold pre-built as opposed to having a plumber on site 8 feet off the ground trying to do the welding while all people are running back and forth through the car wash equipment room trying to get everything installed. All of that is done ahead of time. They secure it to the wall, mount it, connect it to the valves. It really dramatically expedites the installation of the water softener and keeps the whole installation of the equipment going on. So it's been extremely valuable and beneficial to all of our customers. You've seen the manufacturing, you've seen the quality control, you've seen the testing, and we're now moving up to the front end of the operations. And we're going to steal a little bit of a line from the Diamond Shine just watching their video, and we're going to now call this our Customer Experience Center. And there's no one better to have in that area than Amanda Rohr. Amanda's been with us from the very beginning, or virtually the very beginning of the operation. She's worked with all the different customers. So Amanda, tell me some of the things that you've done from the beginning of your time here?
I have done everything from accounting to HR to invoicing to sending POs and helping the customers with their orders.
Yeah. And what has changed since we become part of the Sonnys family?
We have our own accounting staff here now. We have an inventory control person. Me and Emily get to focus on what we love to do, is working with the customers and the other Sonnys family.
Perfect. Yeah, and what I would like to tell everybody, since we became part of the Sonnys team, we've always been very proud of the company that we have, but now we're even a better company. And it really allows us to focus on the customer service and the building, the quality of the products, and taking care of our customers. So it's been a great addition. Well, thanks again. Everything you do, we wouldn't be in this spot without you. There's a lot of, in fact, what I will say, there's a funny story about Amanda and how she became part of the Sonnys team and that whole hiring process. So when you come up and visit us, we'll be sure to share that. So thanks again for everything you do.
Thank you.
So there you have it, an inside look at who we are, what we do, and how we do it here at Sonnys Car Wash Water. Everything you've seen today is fueled by our desire to be our customers' water experts, solve their problems, serve their needs, and help them succeed. Thank you so much for visiting us here in Kaukauna, Wisconsin. If you're ever in the area, don't just tour historic Lambeau Field, please stop by to visit us and see all this for yourself. Reach out to any of our team members to set up a tour. Remember, the next time you see all the amazing thing water does in a car wash, we're there, behind the scenes, optimizing every drop.